Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time format on your Suzuki. So I'm in Suzuki e-Vitara. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to the settings, and in the settings we want to go to system. In the system we select the clock, and right here we have the 12 and 24-hour format. So we're going to click here. Now notice the time 17:45, we are on 24-hour. We can switch to 12-hour format, and now it should be 5:45 p.m. That's how you guys can easily switch it. Now we can switch it back, of course, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.